Jindal Steel is one of the prominent steel companies in the world. Jindal Steel Oman is the largest integrated steel manufacturer in Oman. We are from mines to metal company. We import our fines, then we produce pellets, DRI. We have a square billet, round billets, rebars, wire rods. These are the products which we make in Jindal Steel Oman, and we are showcasing our value-added steel grade of rebars in this exhibition. Yeah, currently Oman steel industry is moving in three parallel directions. It is durability, innovation, sustainability, and smarter solutions. We at Jindal Steel Oman are working towards it. That is why we have introduced basically four grades of special rebars, which are different from a normal quality rebars. It is corrosion resistance rebars, it is high strength rebars, it is Jindal 600, it is called Jindal 600, and then we have galvanized rebars and we have clean tech rebars with us. I will tell you in detail about the four special qualities of rebars which Jindal Steel Oman has developed. The first category is corrosion resistance rebars. Since Oman has long coastal sea line, there is a lot of humidity, temperature, and salinity in the ground. So the corrosion resistance rebar, which we have developed by using the special chemistries, provide solutions for all this. The second category is JS600. It is called high strength rebars, which is basically used for high rise buildings, and it provides less space. I mean, within the less space, the construction can be done in a proper manner. The third category is galvanized rebars. As I told that there is a long coastline in Oman. So our galvanized rebars provides a long life to the existing rebars, and it is very durable in long term basis. The fourth category is a clean tech. It is a special kind of a steel which we have produced by using a secondary metallurgy process. This also provides a ductility, and it is very good for cut and bend solutions. In this exhibition, let me tell, this is a very grand exhibition in Oman. We are speaking in different languages with various stakeholders, with consultants and architects. We are discussing about the design parameters, about the technical specifications. With contractors, we are speaking in the language of easily availability of our material to their sites, easy way of handling, and how the productivity of the construction and can be improved. With real estate owners and with project owners, we are discussing the total life cycle cost of the steel.
Right.
Participating in this exhibition is very important for us, because this exhibition brings all the stakeholders under one roof, whether it is project holders, whether it is real estate owners, whether it is contractors, whether it is general public, or whether it is the procurement officers of the different companies. By participating in this exhibition, we want to enforce our commitment for Oman's development and Oman's vision of 2040.